Union Health Ministry said today that India has crossed the 90,000 mark in the number of coronavirus cases as it recorded the biggest single-day jump of 4,987 new patients, bringing the total to 90,927 cases so far, including 2,872 deaths. Of the total deaths linked to COVID-19, 120 patients died in the last 24 hours. More than 34,000 patients have been cured so far as the recovery rate stood at 37.51% this morning. Kerala reported 11 new coronavirus cases on Saturday, taking the total number of active cases in the southern state, which had reported the first 3 coronavirus patients in India, to 87. The state, which had last week declared that it had flattened the curve, reported only 20 active cases on May 10, but 6 days later, on May 16, there are 87 cases, an increase of 60 positive cases. The Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh, affiliated to the BJP's ideological mentor RSS, has criticized the government's policy announcements on 8 key sectors on Saturday as heavy on privatization, which could lead to job cuts. It said it is a sad day for the nation and its people who were on a euphoria hearing the first 3 days of announcements. A senior Congress leader, Jairam Ramesh, in a series of tweets, took a dig at Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's announcement on space exploration amid a nationwide migrant crisis, calling it bizarre. He wrote on Twitter, "When migrants can't reach home safely, Finance Minister is talking of opening up planetary exploration and outer space travel to private sector. Bizarre." Barack Obama indirectly criticized his successor, Donald Trump, during a virtual graduation ceremony on Saturday in a rare public judgment on the coronavirus pandemic. He said, "More than anything, this pandemic has finally torn back the curtain on the idea that so many of the folks in charge know what they are doing. A lot of them aren't even pretending to be in charge." Canada's parliament has gone virtual through the pandemic, assembling MPs across 6 time zones and giving a rare peek at Prime Minister Justin Trudeau's bookcase, a dear head, and a stifled opposition. Every Tuesday and Thursday over the past month, 338 Canadian MPs logged into Zoom from home to question ministers in lieu of holding a daily in-person question period.